You click a button, a pop-up asks for a subject line, you hit enter, and the email sent column instantly starts filling up with timestamps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send hundreds of customized bulk emails directly from your Gmail account entirely for free. Let's dive in. First things first, we need a great email. Whichever AI tool you prefer, log in and ask it to write an email template for your target audience. For example, if you're reaching out to parents or teachers regarding educational products, tell the AI exactly that. It will instantly generate multiple versions and tones. Choose the one that fits your brand best, keep it open in a tab, and let's head over to the next step. Next, go to the official Google developers website. I've left the direct link in the description below to save you time. We are going to use Google's native mail merge system. Scroll down until you find the app's script section. What this script does is link your Gmail drafts directly to a spreadsheet. Click the Make a Copy button. This creates a secure, pre-configured spreadsheet inside your own Google Drive. Once your sheet opens, you'll see a few columns. We only need two critical fields for this to work flawlessly: recipient and email sent. The email sent column is dynamic. It will automatically populate with a date and time the exact second an email goes out. Now paste your email addresses into the recipient column. One quick warning: if you decide to change or rename the recipient or email sent headers, you'll break the automation. If you ever need to match custom names, you can inspect or tweak the backend code by going to Extensions and Apps Script. But for today, we'll keep it simple and stick to the default setup. Now open the Gmail account you want to send these from and click Compose to start a new draft. In the To field, we need to tell Gmail to pull data from our sheet. Type to opening curly brackets. Copy the exact text from your sheet's header, recipient, and paste it here, followed by two closing curly brackets. Next, add your subject line. Finally, copy that email template your AI generated earlier and paste it right into the body. Quick tip: you can also use those exact double curly brackets to personalize names or company names throughout the email body, but for this demo, we're going with a clean, high-converting, generic template. Leave that email as a draft. Don't hit send. Go back to your Google Sheet. Look at the top navigation bar. You'll see a custom menu called Mail Merge. If you don't see it yet, just give the page a quick refresh. Because this is running a custom automation script inside your account, Google will ask you to authorize it. Don't worry about the app isn't verified warning. This is your own private copy of official Google developer code. Just click Advanced, select Go to Project, Unsafe. Accept the permissions and click Continue. A box will pop up asking for your subject line. Paste the exact subject line from your Gmail draft here and click OK. And just like that, the script goes to work. Look at the email sent column updating in real time. Every single person on that list is receiving their own personalized copy of your email straight from your inbox, completely free. If this video saved you a massive software bill today, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more clean tech workarounds, and I'll see you later, alligator.